Last week, our Tyler Gabriel showed us how to waterproof the master bathroom with a curbless shower and a bench. And today, it's time to start laying the floor tile. Hey, Gabriel.
Hey, Kevin.
Ooh, we made some progress here in the shower. Nice.
Yes, we did.
Got the wall tiles up.
That's right. So here, Kevin, we have the 3D wavy tile, the shower in here.
Nice.
And this is, we got the smooth. We lay it on the horizontally.
Right, and then you've got the smooth on the opposing wall here too.
That's right.
Beautiful little niche. And oh, you even got the bench done for us.
That's right.
Okay, so we got to start thinking about the floor tile layout.
That's right, Kevin. Option one is to start the tile where the pitch is gonna be, and also
Pitch change right there.
that's right, and also where the glass door is gonna be. So we're having the ground line right center with the glass.
Okay, kind of makes sense to have it at the door and where the pitch changes.
Exactly. But let me show you why I don't like it this way. Because starting full tile here, see where it ends? Right to the center of the drain.
Yeah, it doesn't look so good.
No. So let me show the option two.
So you want this one right here?
Yes. So the homeowner, he wants a full tile center at the door. And start against the wall.
Okay, so against the wall centered here,
That's
which
right.
means everything else kind of lays out accordingly.
That's right.
Your thoughts?
So if you look, Kevin, we have a full tile, and the cut.
I can tell already you don't like it.
Yes. So because when you look inside the shower, Kevin, the tile is not going to be symmetrical.
All right, so it's two out?
Yes. So let me show the option three.
Okay.
I really like this option.
That's good to hear.
All right. So the homeowner gets his tile center at the door.
Yeah.
So now we have a cut, a full tile, and a cut.
And that center tile, that's centered now on the shower?
Exactly. So if you look at this tile, it is symmetrical with the shower.
Okay.
So to do that, we cut the tile about 2 inches, and we're going to put at marble threshold.
This comes off threshold right here.
That's right.
And you like,
Yeah,
I like, because as soon as I see it, it looks like that's the way it's supposed to be.
that's right. So this is our linear drain. It's designed to have tile in.
Oh, yeah.
So when you put it in, all you see is a grout line.
Right, so you just have 3 cut pieces in there.
That's right. So I cut 3 pieces to line up with the grout line.
And now in terms of that corner, I mean, we've actually got multiple pitches here.
That's right. So we got to pitch this way, and this way.
So multiple pieces. So that takes care of your right to left pitch.
That's right.
And then along the back.
So we have this piece.
Oh, check that out. So your vein just lined up.
Exactly.
That is nice. Okay. So next steps for you?
So I'm gonna finish lay the entire room, make all my cuts, and I'm gonna start removing things set, and it'll be ready for grout.
A lot of work, a lot of thinking, but it's gonna look great.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.